I know that's a good angle there, so. Good morning, everybody. N769-19. I gotta double check and sure. This
769-19 into CSX 32-21 East 2. Take your stop WB.
Oh man. There's crews down there. Reason why I'm at this kind of angle, cause you got a westbound coming. Should be here shortly. I don't know how long, for sure. But I know it's close, but I don't know how close he is right now. So I hope this be okay with you guys. Let me know if you can, if you guys like. Yeah, my whole sleep pattern last night was all screwed up, so. There we go. I gotta reorganize myself. I do know I got L135 coming westbound. But I don't know what section. I know he's already past Tuscarora about 10 minutes or so. I think I heard him say East Bunker, but I'm not sure. So he should be here shortly. So I know I got 4, but BC67 is in the yard, in Bunker's yard, I think. We got N720 over here behind us, me and Chris. By the way, like, subscribe to Chris LFL fan. So we got N769, N720 over behind me. Yes, sir. Yeah. Back, we are coming up 10-4. Alright, roger that. And also got N754-20 coming up, and if I understand correctly, he might, keyword might. Oh. Westbound! Coming right now, I see headlights. And like I said, N754-20, he might, keyword might, have a ST-78H, a brand new locomotive. Roger that, DPU and N759. And yep, there goes the gates for truck 1.
35-21 West 1, clear North WB, CSX D899.
Yeah, well, it did this part. Oh, there he is. $399,492. So L135, no motors. Yeah, he's come out. I was thinking he may come like early this morning, but nope. Wow, he's late. 9:10 in the morning. I wonder why he came out late. I don't know. Oh, it's just me. bit chilly.
L135-21 CSX 899 engineering westbound number 1. I'd like that to bring to your work. Understood, Jason Miller, give me L135-21 CSX 899 from West 1 recording. That's from the VA 0.7 VA 1.9 max speed.
N720 is back there, so.
135-21 West 1, clear car yard, CSX 89.
Alright, see you guys in the next one.